Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. And I'll be progressing with this process as though I don't know my screen lock. And that being said, I also want to quickly mention that if you have a screen lock and a Google account on here, then this might mean that the device will become FRP locked after the reset, and that means that when you're going through the setup process, you just need to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that was previously used on this device. Now, if you can do at least one of those, you won't be able to finish up the setup. So it is something to kind of remember about. Anyway, so right here, I'm going to lock the device. You can see I have the screen lock pattern. And to get started, we're just going to hold the power button and we're going to turn it off once we have the boot options show up. Select power off. And when the device turns off, which is indicated by a vibration, you want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time. Now, when the INFINIX logo shows up, when the device is turning on, try to immediately let go of the power button. If you hold it for a bit too long, the device actually just turns off again. Let's see if I can manage to do that. There we go. As you can see, I'm only letting go of the power button, but I'm still holding volume up. Now, when the recovery mode shows up, you can also let go of the volume up. Now, in this mode, you'll actually now need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down. So volume down scrolls down and up goes up. So with that in mind, let's select wipe data, factory reset, and then when it's selected, confirm it using your power button. Then select factory data reset, confirm that. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So we're going to press power button to reboot the device, and this will now continue resetting our phone in the background. Now, this might take about a minute to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.